How much should you really spend on a Plunge router? Because cheap ones feel flimsy and break fast, but the expensive ones, you're paying for features you might never use. The truth is, the sweet spot isn't always where you'd expect, and today we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners. Product number 1, Bosch PR20 EVS Colt Palm Router. If you're looking for a compact, no-nonsense router that won't break the bank, the Bosch PR20 EVS Colt is a solid starting point. Priced around $100, it's one of the most affordable options from a trusted brand, and it's built for light to medium-duty tasks like trimming laminate or rounding edges. If you want reliable performance in a small package without overspending, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1 HP motor runs at 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, which is more than enough for softwoods and basic profiling. The soft start feature means it doesn't jerk when you turn it on, something that's surprisingly annoying on cheaper models. The aluminum base is sturdy, and the quick clamp system lets you switch between fixed and plunge use fast. Plus, the angled cord exit keeps the cable out of your way, which sounds small but makes a huge difference during detailed work. Now, some people complained about the lack of a plunge base included. This model is technically a fixed base router that can be modified, but you'll need to buy the plunge base separately if you want full plunge functionality. Here's the thing though, if you're mostly doing edge work or template routing, you might not even need it. And at this price, you can afford to upgrade later. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or weekend woodworker who needs a dependable, compact router for small projects. Skip this one if you plan on heavy-duty plunge cuts or professional cabinetry work. For under $110, it's a fantastic entry point into the Bosch ecosystem. Product number 2, Bosch 1617 EVSPK Combo Router Kit. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you need both fixed and plunge bases in one kit, the Bosch 1617 EVSPK steps it up. At $255, it's pricier, but you're getting a 2.25 HP motor and 2 full bases, making it one of the most versatile budget-friendly kits out there. Here's why this matters for you. The 12-amp motor delivers consistent power through hardwoods, and the variable speed dial 800025000 RPM lets you match the speed to your material, critical when working with delicate veneers or dense oak. The constant response circuitry prevents bogging down under load, and the micro-fine depth adjustment gives you precision down to 1/64 of an inch. Now, some users mention the weight, 18 pounds with both bases, can feel bulky during long sessions. Here's the thing though, that weight comes from the all-metal construction, which actually improves stability and reduces vibration. If you're doing precision inlay or dado work, that solid feel is a benefit, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you're a serious hobbyist or light professional who needs both plunge and fixed routing without buying 2 separate tools. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or only need occasional use. For the features and build quality, it's one of the best values in the mid-range. Product number 3, DWALT DNP612 Plunge Base. Now, if the Bosch combo felt too heavy or expensive, this next one takes a different approach: modularity. The DWALT DNP612 is just a plunge base, priced at $117, designed to work with DWALT's compact routers. If you already own a DWALT compact router and want plunge functionality, this is a smart, affordable upgrade. Here's why this matters for you. It's built with steel guide rods for a smooth, wobble-free plunge stroke, something cheaper plastic bases struggle with. The tool-free depth adjustment and secure locking mechanism make quick changes easy, and the compact design keeps your setup lightweight. It's not a standalone router, but if you're expanding your existing toolkit, it's a seamless addition. Now, some people were frustrated that this is just a base, no motor, no router included. Here's the thing though, if you already have a compatible DWALT compact router, this base transforms it into a full plunge router for a fraction of the cost of buying a new combo kit. It's not for everyone, but for the right user, it's a genius move. This is perfect for you if you already own a DWALT compact router and want to add plunge capability without doubling your tool count. Skip this one if you're starting from scratch, you'll need the router first. For under $120, it's a clever way to upgrade smart. Product number 4, DEWALT DCW620B Cordless Plunge Router. Alright, that was a great modular option, but what if you want total freedom from cords? The DEWALT DCW620B is a 20V max cordless plunge router that delivers 2.25 peak HP and runs entirely on battery. At $405 tool only, it's the priciest on this list, but it's also the most modern and convenient. Here's why this matters for you. No cords mean you can work anywhere on job sites in tight spaces or even outdoors. The variable speed dial, 11-00023, 000 RPM and anti-rotation system keep things stable and safe, while the integrated dust collection captures up to 97% of debris when paired with the right extractor. Now, some users complained about the battery and dust extractor being sold separately, adding $150+ to the total cost. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the DEWALT 20V ecosystem, you likely have the battery. And even with the added cost, the convenience of cordless power for mobile work justifies the investment for many pros. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or mobile woodworker who values portability and clean airflow. Skip this one if you're mostly workshop-based and don't need cordless freedom. It's pricey, but for cordless performance, it's unmatched. Product number 5, DEWALT DW618PKB Combo Router Kit. Finally, if you want maximum power and precision in a corded package, the DEWALT DW618PKB is a beast. At $335, it includes both fixed and plunge bases, a 12-amp motor, and features usually found on high-end models. If you're doing serious woodworking and want a tool that lasts, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you. The 214 HP motor handles hard maple and exotic woods with ease, and the soft start reduces kickback. The microfine depth adjustment gives 164-inch precision, and the through-the-column dust collection captures 95% of chips, keeping your workspace clean and your bit visible. The tool-free cam lock makes base swaps quick, and the brass bushings ensure smooth, accurate plunges every time. Here's the thing though, that's because it's built for serious work. Once you get used to the controls, the precision and power are worth it. This isn't a toy, it's a workshop workhorse. This is perfect for you if you're a serious hobbyist or professional who needs top-tier performance and durability. Skip this one if you're a beginner or only do light projects. For the price, it's one of the best long-term investments in woodworking tools. So which one's right for you? The Bosch PR20 EVS is great for beginners on a budget. The 1617 EVSPK offers unbeatable versatility for the price. The DNP612 is a smart add-on if you're already in the DEWALT system. The DCW620B wins for cordless freedom, and the DW618PKB is the powerhouse for serious work. No matter your need, there's a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality.